Alright guys, we have already done our prep work. We have our lye water already here cooled. And we have our special oil blend that we have already heated up. We have some coconut oil, castor oil, almond oil, and jojoba oil in it. Today we're going to be making a Tea Tree Artisan soap. We're going to be making it in a couple different colors. So here we go. So we've already cooled this to below 130. And this is approximately 10 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and pour this in. Now, life safety is something that you got to be aware of. You don't want to get it in your eyes or on your skin because this stuff can burn. So there we go. Now the oils in the lye is going to react once you emulsify it together and create something called saponification. Work it a couple of times, get the air out. Put that on low. So I just did it very lightly because we're going to add some stuff now. First, what we're going to add is our tea tree. So, let's see. There we go. We added tea tree essential oil to this, which tea tree has a lot of different benefits to the skin. Now we're going to add some sodium lactate. I don't use any palm oils, so the sodium lactate actually helps make the bar harder. That way it's not real mushy. There we go. 1. 2. And that's going to give the bar some good firmness that it needs. That way you go to cut it or you grip it, it's not going to sit there and mush up. So we're going to give it another quick shot. And you see it's already starting to take different texture. Alright, so it's real nice and light. It's not all the way to trace yet. So I'm going to sit here and put some of this into our white. Yeah, set that over there. I got some pretty blue. There we go. And I know you guys may or may not be able to hear, but I have my little ones in the background just watching and cheering me on. So, this is a family business, so you may hear them, which that's alright with me. Alright. There were 3 colors. So we have green, blue, and white. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this. Because I am going to do an in the pot kind of swirl with some of it, and then drop swirl for the rest. Now what I'm doing first is I'm sitting here mixing the white together. So now I'm going to mix the blue. Interesting, right? now finally the green. Alright. So the majority of this will be green. So I'm just going to sit there and add that. And it's going to give it a nice kind of light green. Alright. It's at about the consistency that I want. I'm going to slide this down. This is one of my loaf molds. This is going to hold it for about 24 or 48 hours so that the soap can have time to sit there and heat through and becomes a basic slab of soap. So, you go ahead and start getting it poured. So I don't pour the whole thing in. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create some swirls in a big bucket.
Hey, stop it. Oh, that's good. Have a bump.
There we go. So, I got some in the pot done. I'm just going to swirl it around. And then I'm going to start pouring.
All right.
Bobby, come on. Get in there.
Alright. We'll get the last little bit in here. I know it's not a whole lot. So I'm going to sit here, smooth some of this out, because I want kind of a blank slate for the top. That way when I go to sew it, it's going to be all pretty and nice jazz. So I'm going to do just lightly drizzle on top. It's alright, because it doesn't have to be perfect or uniform. That's what gives each bar its own little touch. Alright. So now I'm going to take one of these pretty little dowel sticks and I'm going to create a design.
Drop it in. Put it in. Put it in there.
Alright. And now I'm going to take my isopropyl alcohol, spritz top, which that just makes it to where when it's drying and such, it doesn't have any soda ash. So now I'm gonna let you guys see this. That's the result of our soap. So I do have a little bit left over, and I'll be making some smaller little sample bars. So thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys have a good night. Thank you from Lathercraft.